What is template inheritance in a blade and how can it be used in a real world applications? Template inheritance in a blade is like having one main design that you can reuse across your whole website. You set up a master layout for things that stay at the same, like the either footer or navigation menu. And then each page can just add its own unique content into the layout in a real world app like a blog or an online store. This make it easier to keep a constant look across a page while saving time and effort since you don't have to repeat the same code over and over again. How can Blade section a yield be utilized to manage content in different views? Blade's section and yields let you set up a flexible spot in a main layout where each page can place its own content. You create Blade's folder which yield in the master template in the child view use section to fill them in. This way, every page you can share unique content while sharing the same overall design structure. Although blade control structure make your code more reliable compared to raw PHP. Blade control structure makes your code easier to read compared to, to raw PHP because they use clean and simple syntax like if, for each, and for, which look more natural and less cluttered, allowing developers to quickly understand the logic without being distracted by heavy PHP tags. How is the purpose of the syntax in a blade and what is important for security? The syntax is the blade is used to simply show data on page. It's important because it automatically escape any HTML or JavaScript that might be harmful, helping protect your site from security issues like cross-site scripting, XSS. How can become How can blade components are in slot be used to create usable UI elements? Blades component in slot you build usable piece of your interface, like button, card, or form, and then fill up with a custom content when needed this space. It is easy to keep your design constant while it's still giving you the flexibility to change what you have inside each component. And thank you.